And we're live in the auditorium. Now, I'm with superstar pianist Erik Watkins. World-renowned pianist on the keys, Mr. E.J. Watkins. He's about to attempt.
How you doing, world?
He's about to attempt to go in on the piano here.
Right now we're in Italy.
Italy.
You know.
Yeah.
I call this the Snoring cow. Y'all want to hear me sing? It's something I got to do. I don't know what it is, but I know it is. But lately, oh,
And that was the musical status from Erik Watkins. Erik,
cut the camera.
Cut it.
Cut.
We need an interview. Wait. And he's gone. And that was Erik J. Watkins, live from the auditorium. Good night.